Hello everyone, my name is Meghan Romano and I am the president of the Honors Program Student Council. I wish I could be welcoming you to LaSalle in person, but I hope you are staying healthy and finding ways to enjoy your time spent at home. I'd like to start off by congratulating you on your acceptance to LaSalle and especially on your invitation to the Honors Program. I'm a 5-year Communication Sciences and Disorders major, and I'm also the philanthropy chair for LaSalle's chapter of the National Student Speech, Language, and Hearing Association, as well as the social media chair for my sorority. I'm sure you've heard the phrase, explorers are never lost, and it's true. LaSalle offers resources, opportunities, and support that allows students to maximize their 4 years on campus and look excitedly towards our futures. But you may not have heard the mantra of the Honors Program, which is this: ask the impertinent question. LaSalle encourages students to live with purpose, but the Honors Program challenges us to go further. Membership in the LaSalle Honors Program means accepting the challenge of more rigorous courses. This begins with your honors triple your freshman year and culminates in your senior project. In between, you'll take one honors course per semester. I find myself looking forward to my honors classes, not only because I know everyone in the room, but because honors professors are so passionate about teaching and invested in our success. The honors triple defines honors students' freshman year experiences in the best way possible. I made some of my best friends at LaSalle in my section of the triple last year, as we lived on the same hall, ate together, went to class together, and enjoyed weekly honors labs. The labs often took us into the city where we saw operas, plays, symphonies, and so much more. Membership in the Honors Program means becoming part of a tight-knit community. Early in the fall, you'll be matched with an upperclassman in honors through the mentor program. This past year, I got to become a mentor for an honors freshman, which was something I was so excited about. I also quickly learned that the honors community does not end after graduation. Honors alumni are excited to engage and network with current students. My favorite lab last year during the triple was the Alumni Panel Lab, which was a night where my class got to hear from a few honors alumni about their post-grad experiences, and we also got to speak with them afterwards. Membership in the Honors Program means using your abilities to improve the world around you, whether it's the classroom you're in, the university, or the surrounding community. This looks different for everyone, but some of LaSalle's countless clubs, activities, or service initiatives are great places to start. The Student Health and Service Chair on the Honors Council works with University Ministry and Service to match honors students with service opportunities that fit their schedules and their interests. Some of my favorite weekly trips are to the Boys and Girls Club of Germantown, which is an after-school program where we help kids with homework and read to them until their parents can pick them up after work, and also to the Habitat for Humanity Restore in Horsham, which is a place where we can unload and organize furniture donations so customers can purchase them at affordable prices. Most importantly, membership in the Honors Program means whatever you make it. Honors students are expected to blaze their own paths during and after their time at LaSalle. Fortunately, honors professors and faculty are happy and willing to do anything they can to make your dreams and plans become realities. While taking a Spanish class in the fall last year, I realized that I was not ready to stop learning the language just yet. This led me to research how I could incorporate it into my future career, and I actually found that there is a great need for bilingual speech pathologists as the number of Spanish speakers in our country continues to rise. I knew immediately that this was my calling, and that I wanted to double major in Spanish along with communication sciences. But my excitement was short-lived. My 5-year program allows little wiggle room for double majoring, and with honors added to the mix, it seemed impossible. I shared my goal with Brother Michael McGinnis, the president of the Honors Program, who is best known for remembering every single honors student's name. Brother Mike was intent on doing everything he could to help make it happen. He worked with me to make sure I would be able to complete my honors requirements and still be able to complete my majors in communication sciences and Spanish. It wasn't too long ago that I was in your exact position with my own decision to make. I chose LaSalle because each time I visited, I felt the same sense of community and individualized attention from professors and faculty that I continue to feel as a student here. The support from the honors community, and especially from Brother Mike during my past 2 years, has allowed me to grow so much in confidence in my abilities and even take on the role of president just 2 years after I chose LaSalle. The LaSalle Honors Program is truly a holistic college experience that will change your life for the better and challenge you to pursue your future with purpose. The Honors Council recently started an Instagram account which highlights all the wonderful things LaSalle Honors has to offer, So I encourage you to visit our page on Instagram at LaSalle_honors and to visit our page on Facebook as well. Thank you so much for your time. I wish you all success in your college careers, and I hope to meet you on move-in day in August.